Dear students, today we perform practical of pharmaceutics 2 subject, that is aim to prepare and submit inhalation. Inhalation definition. Inhalations are liquid preparation containing volatile substance and are used to reduce nasal congestion and inflammation of respiratory tract. The inhalation containing the volatile substances which are volatile at room temperature may be placed on an absorbent pad or handkerchief to inhale therefrom. In other cases, inhalation are added to hot but not boiling water about 65 degrees Celsius and vapors are inhaled for about 10 minutes. Special labeling instruction for inhalation, that is for nasal use only. There are mainly two types of inhalation, moist inhalation and dry inhalation. In moist inhalation, examples are steam inhalation and nebulization. For dry inhalation, aerosol and meter dose inhaler. Prescription given is that eucalyptus oil 10 ml, menthol 3 gram, light magnesium carbonate 6.5 gram, water quantity sufficient 100 ml. Fiat inhalation may take fluid ounce. It means that prepare and submit 30 ml inhalation. Table given, that is type, translation, quantity given in imperial system, quantity given in metric system, quantity taken in metric system. Type IB3, it means that I liquid dosage form, B external use only, and 3 stands for monophasic liquid dosage form. Ingredient given, that is eucalyptus oil 10 ml, menthol 3 gram, light magnesium carbonate 6.5 gram and water quantity sufficient 100 ml. For quantity taken in metric system, we find out the factor. Factor's formula is quantity required divided by quantity given. Here quantity required is 30 ml is divided by quantity given, that is 100. So is equal to 0.3. We multiply chemical required eucalyptus oil, light magnesium carbonate and menthol. Weigh quantity of light magnesium carbonate 1.95 gram, menthol 0.9 gram, eucalyptus oil 3 ml and water quantity sufficient. Add menthol in mortar and finally powder it. Eucalyptus oil until particles dissolve. Now add light magnesium carbonate in small quantity and stir it. Saturate it continuously. Add water to form pourable cream. Transfer to a measure. Rinse mortar with water. Add the rinsing to the measure and make up the volume. A bottle with intermittent shaking, attach prepare label, cork the bottle and submit. Inhalation is used as a nasal decongestant.